Yeah, hi everybody. Welcome back. You know, back at the aquarium. It's bad, isn't it?
I'll go home for a wash.
Yeah. Now, Clayton, I know if you were with us, you'd be climbing up that mountain now. That big mountain there now. I know for sure you'd be running up that, and we'd still be sitting here. We're just sitting here laughing, thinking, actually, what can we do, you know?
Waiting to do our steaks.
It's nothing, yeah. And we were cooking steaks on fire, like, so
that's not on the head.
It's not on it. But I'm still holding out. Because it's bright over that way, and I think the sun might break. We might get an hour or two, I hope. But if not, it doesn't matter anyway. It's quite relaxing, therapeutic sitting here, listening to the rain, looking out at the forest. Like, that's our view. You know, you could be sitting in worse places than this, couldn't you?
Look up the hill.
You know.
I'll look up the hill.
Yeah. There. There's the river there. Yeah, so we might try to get some cooking together, and we might try get what tools out and what knives and saws and axes we're both using to give us a look at them. So until then, back soon, ciao for now, bye bye.
Ready for the next one.
Guys, it's become, look, it's like a swimming pool now. Gonna have the Winter Olympics. We looked over there about setting up a tarp and thought maybe it won't be as swampy, but it'll be the same. This here, look, we have it put into the box. But the spirits are high. Stay dry, you stay warm, so we've nothing to worry about. Yeah, you know, so what are you going to do?
What can you do?
There's nothing really, is there? But anyways, back soon for another weather report. Thanks for watching. Bye. So guys, at the moment we're doing a bit of plumbing restoration here. Right, so there you go, Georgie. Look, we're digging out this, and the water's all flowing away from us now. And we put a bigger white bucket there to collect it because it was just coming in on us here. So you can see now. Well done, Georgie.
Don't fucking turn next way.
I have to do the next. I have to dig the next aqueduct. Well done, mate. Well done. But guys, look. I can't think of a washout like this in a long time. Oh yeah, Decathlon's finest. It weighs about fucking 7 kilos. You have to be car camping with that. I wouldn't be carrying that anywhere with me. We must be off our nutter, George. Huh? Fucking hell.
You lost soul swimming in a big bowl.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, so no change really. It's died down a bit, but we've no internet coverage, and we're just sitting here. We've had a can of beer, and we were thinking there's a place down there with internet, It just happens to be a bar. So we're going to just go down and get our internet.
Chocolate.
Yeah. And we're going to have a scoop. The truth is out. We're going to have a scoop. We're going to have a proper pint. And then we'll come back up at 10 and we're in any state we'll
see
cook
what
off
happens.
something.
Let's see what happens.
You know? Just don't mind, guys. This is not going to... Oh, that's not wildcat, but how dare ye?
Nothing else we can do.
Yeah, there's nothing, look. This hasn't stopped since 2:30 and it's now what, 6:30? About that. So,
Nearly
yeah.
tomorrow.
So we're going to go down. Okay, so back soon. We'll show you the pub when we get there. Okay, ciao for now. Bye. Right, welcome back everybody. Here we are. We made it to the pub. He's held with Georgie. Look, we got our pints going.
We're dry, we're indoors.
Yeah, we're dry. We're only having 1 or 2 here. We're going back to campsite then to cook some food. But great little pub, this Glenmalure Lodge.
And there's even a bar.
Yeah, we're going into the bar now for a second pint and then we're heading back. But yeah, this is this class as a wild camp fail or a washout or what is the class?
Washout and a fail.
And a
Like a double. It's a double. It's a double.
Okay, look, back soon. Ciao for now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, hi, welcome. We got back from the pub and
Want to salvage the last beers in the session.
yeah. We had some beers on a rope. Oh wow! Oh no way!
Mine are safe, yours are gone. Hang on.
Oh fucking hell, man! That's mad.
Did you have any?
No. I took mine out before we went. Oh. Yes. Yeah, so hi everybody, welcome back. Good morning to you. It's about 9:15. The rain stopped. Yesterday I think was the heaviest rain day. I think one of the heaviest rain days I've experienced out camping. We've had lighter rain, but that was heavy coming down puddles. But yeah, so we went down to the local pub there. It's not too far away from here, and we had a couple of pints, which was nice. And then while we were there having the pints, the sun broke, the clouds broke, so we got a bit of sun. We went up and we seen the waterfall and stuff, and we got chatting to some other campers. Yeah, so we had a nice evening in the end, but we got no camping stuff done, like, you know, no cooking, not much photographs done. George was going to show me a few things, bushcraft things and that as well, you know. So, we'll do it again on the next one. But George has to get. I was going to stay down an extra night and go off to a different spot in here. But we checked the forecast and it's to be that heavy rain for about 3 or 4 hours again this evening. So I'm showering all day as well. So I'm not going to stay. Going to head home and process what I have, which isn't much anyway. This will be a small video. But anyways, look, back soon. Chat for now. Bye bye. Okay guys, welcome back. Goodbye from George.
Goodbye with the rubbish.
Goodbye with the rubbish.
Goodbye with the rubbish.
We cleaned up obviously and left no trace. So look, thanks for watching. I know this video won't be that long and it's only just us sitting in the rain, but we're heading back now and shall we see us on the next adventure. Okay, thank you.